All right, we're gonna start our travel through time in the 80s. Here we go, rock it. Heel tap, then run it. To the left, go. Heel tap, and run it out. Stomp that right foot. 2, 2, do it again. Hold this. Left side. Yeah. One more. Take it back. From the top. Heel tap. Run it out. Same thing. Here we go. Yeah. Rock it. Don't worry if you don't get this. Stomp it. Yeah. Do this again. You got it. So get it. Oh. This is your last one. You got it. Rock it. Yeah. But we just leave it alone. We don't quit. Stop. Yes, you got it. Left side. Again. Repetition, you'll get it. One stomp.